Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In today's class, we are going to learn another lesson. This is lesson 18.2, Ways to Travel. Right? On the screen, what is that you can see? You can see a part of the aeroplane in the sky. Right? So let's move on and learn more.
We already know.
We know about the need to transport. Today, we will learn about the need for different modes of transport. Okay, why do we need different modes of transport? What are the different modes of transport? We'll learn in this lesson. The keywords: transport means to move something from one place to another. To move something from one place to another is called as transport. Public transport means transport used by many people at a given time. Now let us watch this video.
Let's watch.
We use different vehicles to move around. Some vehicles are used as public transport. Many people can travel together by public transport. This saves fuel and money. It also reduces the number of vehicles on the road, thus reducing air pollution.
What are the different ways to travel from one place to another? Okay, what are the different ways to travel from one place to another? There are three different ways to travel. What are the three different ways? We can travel by air using vehicles like aeroplanes. We can travel on land using vehicles like trains and cars. We can travel by water using vehicles like boats and ships. Okay, air, land, water. Okay, how do we choose the vehicle for travel? See, we can choose the vehicle, which vehicle we need, in which vehicle we can travel, whether a train, whether a car, whether a bicycle. We can choose. Okay, so what does it depend on? We choose the vehicle for travel to a place by answering questions like how far or near is the place? What needs to be transported, whether people or whether goods, how many people, like that we have questions. Okay, we will get this. Okay, how far or near is the place, what needs to be transported, and in what quantity, what will be the cost of the travel. So all these things will run in our mind. Okay, far or near the place is, okay, what needs to be transported, in what quantity, what is the cost of the travel, all this we'll think about. To travel somewhere far and quickly, we choose air transport. Okay, if we want to reach any place far off distances, you want to reach in a very less time, then we'll go for the air transport. To travel somewhere nearby, we choose land transport. We can use public transport like local trains, cabs, and buses to save money. Okay, nearby places, we can choose land transport. If we use public transport, we can save money. To travel to a place surrounded by water, we choose water or air transport. So here is a flow chart. Ways to travel. What are the ways to travel? Land, air, and water. In land, we use bus, car, motorbike, cycle, train, truck. In air, we use aeroplane and helicopter. In water, we use ship and cruise. So the land transport is used to travel nearby distances, and air transport like aeroplane and helicopter are used to travel far and to reach the place quickly. And we use ship and cruise to travel by water, right? So now, which one do you use more often, more number of times? Which one do you use, private cars or public transport? How is using public transport useful for us? Using public transport can bring down the number of vehicles on the road. Fewer vehicles means less pollution. That is right now, less number of cars on the road, less pollution. More number of vehicles on the road, more vehicles will be giving out smoke, okay, and harmful gases from the vehicles will cause more pollution. So less number of vehicles, few vehicles means less pollution. We can also use bicycles to travel to nearby places. We can use electric vehicles instead of vehicles that run on petrol or diesel. See, all the vehicles which run on petrol and diesel, they give out lot of smoke. Whether it is a lorry or a car, they give out smoke. But if we use electric vehicles, there won't be any smoke and air pollution, right? Now let us answer the worksheet. All of you open your workbook. This is 18.2, lesson 18.2, ways to travel. Put today's date. Question 1, look at the pictures, write the mode of transport. Okay, in the first picture, what do you see? This is a ship. Which transport is it? This is a water transport. Write water. Under the ship, in the blanks, you write water. WATER, water. Then you see the metro train here. It what type of transport is it? Land transport. Okay, metro train moves on land. So write the spelling LAND, land. Okay, next, helicopter. This is air transport. So write AIR, air, under the picture. Now let's move to the second question. Which mode of transport will Rose choose in each case? Why? Now Rose is name of a girl and she wants to choose the vehicle according to some situation. Let us read what is her problem. Okay, she has to go to office in the same city daily. Rose's office is in the same city every day. She has to go to the same place every day. So which vehicle can she use? Okay, she can choose the type of transport. What is it? You write land transport dash metro train or bus. Okay, she has to go to office which is in the same city. So land transport, metro train, or okay, bus. Then second question, B bit, she has to travel a long distance, air transport, aeroplane. C, she is going on a holiday to seaside resort with her family. She'll be using ship or a cruise. Third question, write two ways in which public transport is useful. Public transport, okay, saves money, reduces pollution, and prevents traffic jams, right? So now let's move on to the content book. All of you open your content book, put today's date, right? Fill in the blanks. The different modes of transport are air, water, and land. Second question, write if true or false. Second question, A bit, we cannot choose which public transport to use. False. B, these are examples of public transport. Buses, trains, cabs, and underground trains. True. B1 is true. So write TRUE, whole spelling you write TRUE. C, public transport helps us save money. True. Yes. Instead of traveling in a cab, if you go for the bus, you will be saving little money. D, public transport does not help us reduce pollution. False. Third question, what will happen if everyone starts using bicycles to travel from one place to another? If everyone starts using bicycle to travel, then there will be less pollution and we can save the fuel and we can save money, right? So do read the lesson from the content book twice, underline new words, complete your worksheet, write the answers in content book. That's all for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.